Here we are at the Springfield Flea Market. Now this place says whatever, but this place used to be hopping like all get out. I mean, it got taken over in a divorce, and the wife, ex-wife or whatever, took it over and got greedy like everybody else did and raised the price on the tables and stuff. You used to have to get in here at about 4 in the morning if you even wanted a table. And now they got, I know this looks like there's a bunch of people, but like nobody's up in that stuff over in there, which I'll show you. You got people already running off of stuff. That's the thing, you ain't got no people come up here to make some money because they don't have much money, and they got to spend all that gas money and all that, and so they got $15 a table now. $15 a table. Heck, you got to sell $15 worth of stuff if you can get any money out of it. That's the way it goes, though. Looks like a few people here this morning.
What else can we exchange?
Like y'all busy.
Yes, it's a paper cup. Like I said, I've been trying to get it.
See how you gonna make dang $15 selling purses.
Because I couldn't get here.
Morning, ladies.
How are you?
They dang say ammo's getting cheaper and a bunch on the shelves now, eh?
There's a bunch on the shelves, so don't make it no cheaper.
Oh, okay. Coffee, I gotta get away from the coffee. All this stuff come up from Florida. I know that ain't coming off in South Carolina right now. Anyhow, like I say, this place used to be, you used to not be able to get a table, Bo. That's what it is with business. People get greedy, take over daddy's stuff and say, oh, he wasn't doing it right.
It was 33 when I sold mine. He gave me 20. He said, I don't even want them. They don't want them.
How you doing? Yep.
You videoing.
What's that?
You videoing everything. You videoing the flea market.
Yeah, got some people wanting to check it out.
Oh, okay. You have to come on by here and buy some stuff.
I tell them to get down here and set up a table. There's plenty of them. Dang scrap barn, that ain't been open for years. But like I say, people damn, I say, see way down there, all them. See, this place is just vacant, Bo. And dang, people try to keep this dang screen right. People get greedy, try to make all that dang money. Trying to make money on money that ain't there, Bo. Look at all that, all them empty tables. Them used to be food all the time. They had 2 of these carts. Oh, here's the other one. Look at that. Okay. See, they charged like $100 and some odd just for them buildings and stuff. Well, they got the stuff piled in there. See that? That's all damn empty. Got some chickens running around though. All them buildings empty. Ain't got nothing selling in there. All this used to be wide open. About 4 or 5 years ago, look at this. Nobody, nothing. That's all the way down over there too. All the way down there. Look at that. That's a dang shame, Bo. I looked into buying this place. They had it wrapped up in a bunch of stuff. like I say, they ain't. I mean, it was set up for so people could buy stuff and make a little, you know, get some old things or whatever they want, and poor people can make some money, you know. Like these people here every freaking week. These people here every week. So you have to be crazy to come down here and try to make any money unless you got some stuff, a bunch of stuff. You get up in, everybody just moved out to the ends because the tables are cheaper, 15 bucks. I don't know what they want for them covered in areas. Nobody cares.
You buy both your rides for $5 each. I give you all the winners.
Yeah, I used to come down here and find stuff and sell it online, make a couple extra bucks. I used to bring the kids down here every morning. They'd sell things. I'd come back and get them around noon. Rods and reels and pocket knives. Got a couple guns he's getting off of. They probably don't even let you sell them in some of them damn states. Got some seafood. It's 2.5 hours from the ocean. You can smell that shit. Dang, this ain't even. I hate to put this place down, but ain't even this usually is packed. Look at that. Piles of clothes and stuff. Might come back and get some of them eggs. And people still setting up.
What you think?
I don't know. I guess you come down here and sell for fun. I got a whole room of stuff needs to come down here, but I just can't see the profit in it. There you go. That's about what's left of the flea market. These people are here every week. I don't know, boys. I just went downhill big time. All this here dang empty as hell, bo. You can make money with this stuff, bo. Dang, if you wouldn't be so greedy. I mean, I'd rather get $3 a table and fill all them up than have them bare there and out there getting $15 for 20 or 30 tables, 40 tables. Couple little billy goats. Ain't they cute? Damn, goats trip me out. Dang. You got a bunch of dang. So exciting. Like I say, well, these places went to hell. Alright, this place here used to be full of It used to be full all down through here too, bro. Damn ghost town. Greed. This place here used to be full of fishing poles and all kinds of tackle, and yeah, they moved all that fishing stuff out.
I just knew the box was in such bad damage I couldn't get my dollars to it. I was like, I'm gonna take it on. And then after I got
Some nice boots.
stuff, and then I heard y'all bring in. I wonder if they could use that stuff. This is perfect.
Yep, people used to come miles around.
Good morning.
Morning. That looks like that bedroom I was talking about. Anything you want, Bo. Dang. As I say, I can't see it. Now there is another flea market over towards Nice's. And there's one in Orangeburg. Really sad. Like I say, MT. This is it right here. Like, share, subscribe. I got that ebook down below. You don't want to end up like this hollowed out old flea market. I mean, this place used to be packed. I don't know, maybe I will talk to them. See if they need somebody to manage this joint, because I'm telling you, if you drop the price on all these tables and all that crap. Anyways, make something of yourself, man. Do something. Got that ebook down below. It's free. Get that thing going. I don't know. Keep your keep sharp, keep your nose clean, and oh no one.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody.